Welcome, children, to our grammar class. Having learned how to use verbs according to person and number in the previous lesson, we shall now learn about tenses here. Tenses are the roots for speaking and writing English correctly, so we must learn them properly. Now, what exactly is a tense? Tense is a form a verb takes to show the time of action, that is, when the action happens or takes place. So, in simple words, we can say tense means time of action. Now, the time of action could be present, past, or future. Now, let's see this with the help of a timeline. The circle represents the present tense. The line to the left of the circle represents the past tense. The line to the right of the circle represents the future tense. Now, this timeline is for a better understanding as to when an action takes place with respect to time. Now, as time could be past, present, or future, tenses are mainly divided into three main types: and present tense, past tense, and future tense. Now, each of these three types have four subtypes. In the present tense, we have simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. In the past tense, we have simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. In the future tense, we have simple future, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. In all, we have 12 tenses. Now let's see the forms of verbs. Verbs are mainly divided into 5 forms. Now these 5 forms are very useful for us to identify the tense in a sentence. Base form, which is the present tense form, called as V1. Past form, past tense, V2. Past participle is V3. SES form, called as VSCS form. ING form, which is denoted as VING. Now let us see an example to understand the 5 forms. Let us take the verb play. So in the base form it is play, past tense is played, past participle is also played, SES form is plays, and ING form is playing. Now let's take another example with the verb write. Base form, present tense is write, past tense is wrote, past participle is written, SES form is writes, and writing is in the continuous tense. So I hope you have understood the introduction to tenses, children. I shall continue with tenses in the next class. Thank you.